Working with CNC machining and have an ARTC project file from ArtCAM. These contain 3D design projects for CNC manufacturing. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these ArtCAM project files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the ARTC archive, even if it can't fully extract it. ARTC files are project files created by Autodesk ArtCAM, a CNC machining and 3D relief design software discontinued in 2018. They contain 3D models, toolpaths, machining strategies, and material definitions for creating decorative items, signs, and artistic CNC products. ARTC files use Autodesk's proprietary project format, storing 3D relief models, toolpath definitions, material specifications, machining parameters, and artistic design elements, following ArtCAM specification for CNC machining project management and toolpath generation. For viewing and interaction, ARTC is most commonly opened via ArtCAM from Autodesk. To access all data streams, audio or video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows can't interpret complete 3D assemblies, so full evaluation requires professional modeling software. Your first step to success, right-click the ARTC file and choose Open With. If ArtCAM is installed, try it first. If you don't see it, pick a different tool. You might need to try a couple to find the ideal match. If your ARTC file will not open, do not worry. We know the ARTC format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, opening an ArtCAM. Use ArtCAM software if you have a licensed version installed since Autodesk discontinued the product in 2018. Existing licenses continue working, but new licenses are unavailable. Open RTC files through the standard File Open dialog for full project access. Next, migrating to Fusion 360. Autodesk recommends migrating ArtCAM workflows to Fusion 360 with manufacturing extensions which provide similar CNC machining capabilities. Recreate ARTC project content in Fusion 360 using imported 3D models and reconfigured machining strategies for ongoing CNC project work. Finally, using alternative CAM software. Consider alternatives like Vectric, Aspire, Carveco, or RhinoCAM for ARTC-style CNC machining projects. These applications provide similar 3D relief modeling and toolpath generation features. Import 3D models from ARTC projects when possible, and recreate machining strategies in current software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.